because it's a lot to do, isn't it? As well. Oh, right, and it runs along like that. Is that where he composted? Yeah. So we're at the plot, and little bees scampering about. So this is the access route, which is overgrown, which is what I wanted to see. So I've had a good chat with Graham. I mean, there is an access path there. I'll show it to you, and then I'll show you this. Come on. It's not that big, but obviously for wheelbarrows and stuff, you'd want something a bit more sort of robust, but it's actually not as big as what I remember, so it might not be that much of an issue. But the ground floor, the access path on the other side, is just fully overgrown with weeds, and it's bumpy as anything. So it runs through here. But yeah, it's just a bit problematic. Don't really know what's under those sheets. We'll just try and figure it out. Come on. You can walk over it, so that's a good thing. Anyway, the plot. That's a plum tree, by the way, and it's an apple tree in the corner. So, hi, my name's Laura. I've just taken on a new plot at Mains Park, and plot 17-1B. I'm just currently in the shed, having a little look round, doing a bit of a recce. I'll show you the plot. So, it is a bit of a crazy old site. So I'm about to have a cup of tea and tackle one bed at a time. Found a sunflower in the shade, so I thought I'd move it in the sun. Got some potatoes already growing there. Raspberries, rhubarb, and weeds. Lots of weeds. Need sorting out. But I shall have a cup of tea first. Coming to you from Mum and Dad's greenhouse. Give it a little tidy today. This is what we're sowing. it's June, so we'll have to just see how it goes. See if I can put you there. So there you have it, first ever YouTube video, launch of the channel, Confessions of a Hoe Diary. Much fun trying to come up with a name, but you guys know who you are. I'm a novice at gardening. Well, I'm not so much a novice at gardening, I am at growing vegetables, but I'm here to learn and grow in more ways than one. Loving the allotment, even though it's absolutely full of weeds, but I have to say, every time I've gone, I don't really get what I want done. Is because I've got some really lovely plot neighbours who just want to be, you know, say hello, and I'm sure, you know, I'll be mithering them on their plot at some point, getting a world of advice from them. But yeah, really nice site, nice people. Special thanks to everybody who said do it, and bore off to those who said don't, because there were quite a few, I can tell you. It surprised me how many people said, oh, it'll be full of weeds, and I'm thinking, it's actually an allotment, what do you expect? It's not exactly going to be you know, a perfect allotment site if it's not been looked after for a couple of months. So on the whole, I think it's been a great first week, and the allotment inspections were good. Barley Bum Pooch, follow her on Instagram, very cute. She was my little buddy, she's a little sweetie, she came along. I've got a little video of us doing a little unboxing from Amazon, which is quite funny. So I'll post that. So next week, I guess it's all about, will the seeds from 2017 germinate? Will any seeds germinate? Will my sunflowers have survived the torrential rain? Has it even stopped raining? Are there any seeds in the ground whatsoever? And are there, more importantly, are there any actual weeds out of the ground? Because that is something that I haven't really done much of. I did pull out some raspberry canes and give them away for free, but I don't think that really counts as weeding. But my mantra at the moment is perfection over progress. Every visit is good. No matter what job you do, big or small, is better than doing nothing. So I'm trying to stay positive vibes only. If you like what you're watching, like and subscribe and leave a comment, and look forward to seeing you next week. Bye.